Hello and good day and welcome to today's video. In today's lesson, we will be talking about the strategy tester, what it's used for, where to find it, how to apply it, and etc. But before we begin with that, I'd like to ask you to go over to our sponsor for today's video, MEXC. They are offering you $525 worth of things to spend on their website from them to our viewers. Also, FTMO, our affiliates. If you know how to trade and you can prove that to them, they will let you 200k of other people's money to trade with, and you can keep up to 90% of the profits from those trades for yourself. Other people's money, profits for yourself, as long as you can prove that to them, that you can trade and have the proper knowledge. Okay, so back to the video now. The strategy tester, where to find it? Well, as you can see on the bottom left screen, you have your text notes, spine editor, trading panel, and your strategy tester over here. When you click it, you will notice that currently it's empty. Why is that so? Well, because we don't have any strategy imported right now. Where to get our strategies from? Well, you can either write it from yourself, write a strategy yourself and it will pop up here. But I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you're a beginner, so go to indicators, go to technicals, and from here just select strategies. All of these that have the up and down arrows are strategies. So let's just select one. Let's say bars up and down. Up. And there you see. These are all indications where buying and selling has happened. And you can observe how the strategy worked from the chart. But also now you see where the strategy tester is, that is actually full with information. You have your overview where it displays your net profit, total close trades, percentage profitable, profit factors, etc. Even your average trades. On second tab, performance summary, you get your net gross was, max drawn, your profit factors, and quite more. I'll leave the exporting to you. And one of the coolest things actually is that you get a list of trades with all trades that were done using this strategy, and it goes really back far. If you click to something, right now we're on Bitcoin, but if you click on something like Apple or some other big old company, it has records even back to the 90s. So if you want to do a case study, you sure can. Okay, so this is how you apply your strategy, but let's say you want to see how it actually works. You can go to the left corner and see here from the different menus. You can click the source code, and here it will display how it was actually programmed. You can take a moment to read it and analyze what it exactly does, and you can actually adjust it to your needs from here as well. So if you're actually capable of doing that, that will be a huge advantage to you, because you can essentially create your own strategy and test it here. And you can just observe it from the chart where all the buying and selling would have been done. But remember, all of this is not real trades. These are simulated trades by the strategy. It's a backtest. And remember, backtesting doesn't necessarily mean 100 proof success rate, but it's a very good orientation where you can head out what you can improve and what you're searching for to maximize in your strategy. So this is just one of the strategies. If you go and look at more of them, you can see that there's quite many to pick from, and most of them are building strategies. So these are ready, but you can get from different users strategies that they've created and that they have willingly made them open source, and you can learn from them as well. So take your pick, give yourself some time, explore it, look at how they work, study them, and I hope they helped you. Anyways, remember, this isn't any financial advice, just random people on the internet. Hope this video helped you at least. Have a nice day and see you next time.